Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use eBay for selling items. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, you will need just to have an account on eBay. You can go to the ebay.com, you create an account, and after that, you will be able to start selling items. And to do so, you will need to list your items. So basically, a listing is a product, or this is called a listing. So basically, a listing has a title, has this is just the seller name, and basically has the price, variations, and basically pictures. So now we can do the same by going to my eBay, just hover on it, no need like to click, and then click on selling. And basically now we will be able to start creating listings from the seller hub. So simply go to listings and from here we will find create listing. By clicking on create listing, you will be able to start creating your own listing. So either you can use templates or you can simply upload photos first. So I'm just going to click on one, continue, and you will need just to upload some picture. I'm just going to click on open and then generate drafts, or you can simply click on generate drafts, and basically from here you will be able to see or to start adding the elements or the other elements of your um, listing. For example, the status, pictures, your title. So you will give it a title, you will give it a category, and basically many other things. So you will need just to give it all these informations. And after that, you will need just to click on submit. And by clicking on submit, you will be able to start having your own first listing. So as you can see, this is my listing. So I'm just going to click on cancel and I'm not going to save. And by that, other buyers will be able to start seeing your listings. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.